Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to remove background in Photopea with just one click. So you have to go to the Google and just type photopea.com. So here you can see the interface of the Photopea, and you can click on a new project here, or you can simply go to the menu on top and click on the file option, and just click on the open. So basically here we have the image. I want to remove the background, and just simply click on open. So here image is open, and then you have to go to the top menu. So here we have select. So once you will click on the select, so there will be few options here, and here you can see the remove background, remove bg option. So just click on this, and here you can see the dialog box is open because I have used this option before. So right now I'm using the free version. So for that, if you want to use this option, so you just simply click on ok, and there will be uh, ad open here, and once this ad will be finished, then you can use this option. So let me let me finish this video first, and once this video will finish, the background will be automatically removed. So right now the video is going on, so simply just click close button, and here you can see the background is removed. So thank you so much for watching this video, and for more videos please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon. So thank you so much.